Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can add column in this Microsoft Word document here. Yes, column. Because sometimes you open a book and sometimes you see split in with two, right here. Column, sometimes a 2 or 3, right? And you maybe wonder how them do it and all that. So I'm going to be guiding you through this, how to do it step by step. Right, so the first thing you wanted to do, notice all of these are tab. Right, so you have the home tab, the developer tab, right there you have the insert, you have the draw. So all of these are tab. Right, so each time you click on a tab, what you get is a ribbon. Right, I'm going to click right here on the layout. You notice when I click on the layout tab, you notice all of these come up right here so far. So if you notice, this is a column. So if I click right here, notice it show you 1 column, show you 2, 3, left, right, and all that. Here give us some option. So what we want to focus on right here is 2. So if I click on the 2, you notice right here what really takes place right here. And if I go back and I click on 3, you notice what takes place right here. Let me scroll up again that you can actually see. You notice because enough data is not there, you don't see it that much, right? And if I go back again and I put 1, that's exactly how it looks. All right, let me see if I can add some more paragraph to this so that I can actually see it more. Right, so let me just go back a little. Right, so I'm going to put a quote to get more paragraph right here. I'm going to equal RAND. Right, I'm going to put a bracket and then I'm going to put at least 19 there. So this is what to give me some paragraph. So now I have a lot of paragraph right here. So what I wanted to do now, I want to go back now to make it save officially. So click right here on the layout. But some of you might have a different version of Microsoft Word. So you have to click on page layout or you can just click on design, depends on the version that you have. So when I come right here, I click. If I try to, if you notice, let me come up here. You notice, look officially. Yeah, definitely. Like when I open my book, that's exactly how it looks. And if I go back right here to column and I click on 3, you notice it actually take the face that way like that. It's very important there. This is how it looks so far. You notice this is how it looks so far. Right, it's very important. Look right here on this particular document right here. Good so far. So that's exactly how it looks. So you can add 2, 3, or 4 column just the same right here. Right, it's looking very unique. Very important here. And if you come all the way right here to design, you come right here to put a page border on it, just make it exactly what it looks like. All right, so this is exactly how it looks like when you have a page border on it. All right, so this is how it actually looks. So definitely, if when you do something and you want to put column, right, you just click on the layout or page layout, depending on what you use, and then you can actually get it. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So remember to share it, like, and subscribe. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.